How do you sell NFTs? When it comes to blockchain news, nothing beats an onslaught of information to leave you scratching your head. Major corporations are now getting into the act of obtaining NFTs, which are sometimes sold online for exorbitant prices, which has piqued the interest of major corporations. Over the past several years, tokens have found their way into everything from the art market to video games. Some critics claim that NFTs are nothing more than a waste of money, but NFT supporters contend that these tokens are much more than mere virtual trinkets. But we think everything should be tried before judging it. And if you're using NFTs for the first time but do not know what to do with them and end up deciding to sell them, then this video is for you to learn how to sell them properly. Hey everyone, welcome to NFT Explained for Beginners, a perfect channel for everything about NFTs. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Having said that, now let's get started. But before jumping in on how to sell them, let's discuss what an NFT is. A non-fungible token, or NFT for short, is an asset that cannot be replaced by another asset. By this I mean that it does not have an identical copy of the same value. Take, for example, 1 cent as an example. You can trade 1 cent for another cent because both of them have the same value. The NFT, on the other hand, does not suffer from that same problem. As an example, consider a one-of-a-kind trading card. Trading cards such as this cannot be exchanged for another trading card of the same value, and it is non-fungible. There are a number of different blockchain technologies that support NFTs. For instance, the Ethereum blockchain or the Solana blockchain. In a nutshell, a blockchain is a digital ledger where all transactions are recorded. A blockchain is also a way to verify that every single digital asset is unique. In terms of its function, it's a blockchain that authenticates the existence of the NFT and verifies the ownership of the NFT. However, there are many difficulties associated with determining the authenticity of a digital asset on the internet, and eventually this leads to the copying of assets and possibly other copyright issues as well. In many instances, the problem remains unresolved. In contrast, this is not the case with a digital asset that is verified by the blockchain. On a blockchain, there is a proper record of the ownership of the digital asset, as well as verification of its uniqueness. So having an asset on the internet becomes an easier process, and you don't have to spend your money in order to obtain it, making it a status symbol and something that's easy to obtain. In addition to this, there aren't many NFTs available, and this is a fact that can be verified. In addition to this, each NFT has an ID number that is stored on the blockchain. This allows the NFT to own and be unique at the same time. The NFT also has a lot of utility. For example, it has a special access feature. As an owner of an NFT, you will have access to a wide range of special groups, social groups, events, parties, and other NFT projects, which have their own set of rules and values. That's pretty good for just digital ownership, isn't it? There are many benefits that are brought to the gaming world through NFT, and one of the biggest ones we might add. Many players end up losing their money just for the fun of it and spending money on skins and avatars. There are, however, some games that are releasing NFTs with these rare skins which can be sold at a future date for real money. There is another reason that you should invest in NFTs, because you can get your investors back into the digital world as well. That's amazing, right? However, another reason why NFTs are valuable is due to their ownership history. Basically, if you prefer, you can call this a one-person operation. There are certain NFT projects that gain value directly because the person involved in that project is famous. As an example, if an NFT contained digitalized artwork or music by the most famous musicians, that NFT would certainly be able to gain high value immediately. This is why ownership and creators are so important. Well, these were some of the benefits of NFTs, and after seeing them, if you still want to sell your NFT tokens, then we got you. Actually, it's possible to sell an NFT in a number of different ways. In fact, an NFT can either be bought or sold on a different marketplace, or it can be made and listed for sale on a different marketplace. There are numerous platforms on which you can do this, such as OpenSea or Rarible.com, which is connected to OpenSea. And in fact, there is no need for you to possess any technical knowledge about blockchains or any other technical aspects. We believe that it is the fame or talent of the artist that makes the NFT so important. NFT's marketplace is open to everyone, and everyone has access to it. When you create your first NFT on OpenSea, there is a one-time gas fee that you will have to pay. However, after that, you'll be able to create additional NFTs for free. But some other platforms, on the other hand, charge a gas fee when you do an NFT and every other NFT you make. It is also important to understand that the gas fee depends on a number of factors, which is the size of the network. The more people you have on the Ethereum blockchain, for instance, the higher the fee for gas will be. The next question that needs to be answered is, how will NFTs be sold? In order to do that, you will need to go to your account on the marketplace that you created, add the NFT to your collection, and give all the relevant information about the NFT and its value. Then simply click on the sell option. Once you have completed the above steps, you will be redirected to a different page where you will be required to enter the price and conditions for the auction of the NFT you wish to sell. However, it is important to note that this selling process is different for each marketplace. Ether or ERC20 is one of the most common tokens that you will be able to get after you sell your NFT. In addition to that, the royalty fee is also a very good thing. If your NFT is sold by someone, you will receive a royalty fee in the form of a commission. Since you created the NFT, you will receive the same royalty fee when your NFT is sold on the OpenSea platform. In fact, when buying an NFT, you can check the rarity and the royalty fee. Basically, this is all you have to do. The best way to make sure you are buying that NFT that will contribute to your profit is to consult certain tools that enlist the scarce or the most famous founders of such an NFT in the world of non-financial trusts or NFTs. The utility of membership or special access to a particular place or group has been the major factor driving people to invest their money in NFTs. In conclusion, the NFT in 2021 was the hottest thing in the world, and with a 55% increase in sales from the previous year, from 2020 to 2021, the average annual sale value of NFT rose from $250 million to $389 million. There is a likelihood that NFT will be soon used in everything because a blockchain backbone makes it easier and easier to track ownership and authenticity as time goes on. Among the first ever meme on NFTs were the rare Pepe, but now NFTs have evolved into something everyone should know about and also own. As you have seen earlier, NFTs are very easy to obtain and they're also very easy to sell. So it's important to remember that if you are new to Ethereum and not very comfortable with public and private keys, you should use MetaMask as your wallet of choice and always get more Ethereum than you think you will need to pay for the gas fees. But apart from this, what do you guys think about NFTs? Tell us in the comments. And for more such content, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. And that's all for the day. See you in the next one. Until then, peace out.